they played the tape. It, it was a conversation between Joey De Venecia and Chairman Avalos. Very obviously, because very unique yung God is so wise na talagang binibigyan niya ng unique voices yung mga taong madaling ma-identify, like Hello Garci, itong Chairman Avalos, hindi mo rin maikaila yung boses niya. Humingi siya ng dagdag na commission Aside from wanting to take part in the operations of the project later on, kung sakali makuha ni Joey, maski raw messenger niya, pwede. But he was also talking about several other agencies na nakalimutan niyang sabihin, like DOTC, CICT, at saka yung... Sino ba yung kaibigan, Mr. Joey? Sino yung kaibigan na hiningan niya pa ng isang dagdag?
Si General Mendoza po.
For General Mendoza. But he already mentioned the OTC.
Actually, sir,
Plus yung kaibigan natin.
Hindi ko po, I still haven't heard the tape, so I can confirm it if I see the transcript.
So if we are to believe you, you know nothing about advances made by ZTE to certain individuals in this whole project. Everybody was talking about commissions and kickbacks. I would like to remind you, Mr. San Miguel, that you are under oath. And you owe it to your oath to tell the truth before this committee.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, I would like to reiterate that to be proficient in what you do as an engineer, as a consultant, you only do things that you are supposed to do. It was very specific that those things is not within my coverage, and I'm not totally capable. Even if the job was offered to me, I would have not accepted it if the job requires and includes those things. I'm a technical person. I've been a technical person even at the age of 18 up to now. I've gone through from computers, technical, and that's not my turf. My turf is technical. You can ask me anything about technical, and sir, I will answer you. But anything outside of that, I can't. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just saying that I don't know. I don't have any direct knowledge. But logic would state that maybe there is. I am not denying. I'm not confirming or agreeing. I just don't know.
No, what I'm saying is that to your knowledge, whether it's a first-hand knowledge or as relayed to you by, say, Ruben Reyes, because the reports that it was through Ruben Reyes that all these advances were given out by ZTE. And you were closely working with the group of Ruben Reyes, Mr. Avalos, Jimmy Paz, and even Jan De La Torre. So it's quite unthinkable that you would be telling us now na wala kang nalalaman tungkol sa mga advances ng ZTE. Just a simple yes or no. As I told you, hindi naman kailangan ng details. Not just yet, not at this time. But you know, there are so many ways to find out from other sources kung merong advances dito. And gusto ko lang i-remind kayo, Mr. San Miguel, na yun nga, pagtibayan nyo yung oath nyo, because when you stood there and took your oath, it's not as simple as raising your right hand. A simple yes or no will suffice.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. I really don't have any direct knowledge. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just stating that I'm purely on a technical basis. Anything outside of that could be hearsay. I have heard na merong mga advances to the extent of the radio and newspaper. But anything outside of that, I had no direct knowledge.
If there were indeed advances given out by ZTE to certain individuals, maski wala mo ng detalye, Mr. San Miguel.
I don't know whether the refund of my expenses is called advances, but I would not call it advances because these are part of my transactions with ZTE. I could not confirm whether such an advances because my role at ZTE as a consultant is really very limited to technical issues. So I have a very few interactions with other people that are involved in the project in my vantage point of view.
I'm not referring to reimbursements. I'm referring to advances in commission, Mr. San Miguel.
I'm not aware, Your Honor.
Whatsoever.
Whatsoever.